Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to keep Chrome in desktop mode in laptop step by step. Open Chrome, access the three-dot menu, then go to Settings and Site Settings. Enable Request Desktop Site for relevant pages and manage exceptions. Consider using a lightweight extension or the developer tools to set a persistent user agent when needed. Finally, restart Chrome and test several sites to confirm they load in desktop mode consistently. Open Developer Tools and use the device toolbar to simulate desktop environments, then choose a desktop user agent from the available options to force sites to load in desktop mode. This helps when a site ignores the normal Request Desktop Site toggle. Remember to keep Developer Tools closed after testing, and if you need persistence, copy the user agent string for use with an extension or startup script to maintain desktop mode across sessions. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: Droplet Stay Hydrated Anywhere with the Owala water bottle, a useful companion during long setup sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if you like it. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Install a Trusted User Agent Switcher extension and select a common desktop user agent to enforce desktop mode on specific sites. Configure site-specific rules so only targeted pages use the desktop agent and avoid breaking mobile-only features. Test pages after enabling rules and toggle the extension off for sites that misbehave. This approach provides a simple, persistent option without deep browser configuration or frequent manual toggling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.